In this lesson, students learn to estimate the weight of a gram, identify items that weigh about a gram, and check their estimates using a balance scale. This will help them to construct a viable defense for the reasonableness of their estimates and those of others. A gram is equal to the base unit of weight in the metric system, which is similar to the weight of a large paper clip. Students live in a world that largely uses the metric system of measurement. Although the U.S. is one of few countries in the world that uses the customary measurement system, our students will have many opportunities to apply a basic knowledge of the metric system because of all the international sharing of knowledge, trade, travel, and other experiences. In second grade, students have already experienced comparing different objects' weights. In this lesson, the terms weight and mass will be used interchangeably for comparing and estimating weight, as they are both used in our math standards, even though they have different scientific meanings. They will need extensive practice in comparing weights of such a small size as a gram. They will estimate using their two hands to create a type of human balance scale, but they will defend their estimates using an actual balance scale. This will show weights that are the same as being balanced on either side of the scale arm, or with one side higher showing a lighter object weight and the one side lower showing the heavier object weight. In class, students will each be given an object, such as this large paper clip or a unit cube, which each weigh about a gram. They will hold, handle, and make mental note of the approximate weight in their own hand. Students will try to find other objects that also weigh about a gram in their own estimation. From their test objects, they will also start to identify objects lighter than a gram or heavier than a gram as well. They can repeatedly estimate objects while holding on to the paper clip in one hand and trying to estimate the object of the same weight, such as a centimeter cube, in the other hand, performing a human balance scale to compare. Having tested several objects, students can classify and move the objects into one of the three groups: less than a gram, equal to 1 gram, or greater than a gram. After they physically classify these objects using their hands as a human balance scale and placing them into unofficial groups, they will then use an actual balance scale to verify their estimates. Students will keep their verified data on a table to organize their information, such as this.
The pennies are heavier, I think.
In this lesson, students have practiced estimating items that weigh about a gram, less than or more than a gram, using the comparisons of the two weights in their hands like a human balance scale. They've correctly verified their estimates using a traditional balance scale.